So here's how you can find hidden photos album on your Android. So let me guide you through it. If it's your first time being here on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So there are more gallery apps on the Android and more ways how you can kind of like hide the photo. So in order to find them, it depends on how exactly it's been hidden. So essentially, if you have the Android phone, which supports secure folder, you can see that I can open up an image, tap on the more options and move it into a secure folder, and it just means that the photo is hidden and locked away. And in order to find it, you actually have to go to or leave the app, go to the all apps view and find the secure folder. So it behaves like a separate application made by Samsung in this case, and you can get inside, authenticate yourself with a passcode, and you will have the ability to see it right here. So you can see this is a way to find the photos hidden this way or through this method. For example, whenever you go to the Google Photos and you locate the pictures like that, you can as well just tap the three dots and move them or hide them into a different place. Right, so for example, you can move them to the archive or move to a locked folder. So there is a dedicated locked folder within the Google Photos, which you can get inside and set it up this way. And then you will have to find it through this method. So as I say, it is kind of a different thing. So it depends exactly how you have been, how you made it work or how you exactly hid the photos to begin with. But that is most definitely how you can find them. So I really hope that I was able to help you out and assist you with it. Hit the thumbs up for more tips and videos like this one, and I'm going to catch you later.